Hey everyone, Brian and Jeff with WorkshopAddict.com, and we are going to announce the 3 winners to this awesome Milwaukee tool giveaway. We've got them right here from a random drawing, but we don't know who's going to win what yet.
Yeah, and you're putting that pressure on me because I got to draw them out of your hands.
It's all you. It's all you. So what we did is basically gathered everybody up, ran 1,000 some odd, there was well over 1,000 entries through this random generator, and it picked them out for us. We're going to test Jeff's eyes and see if he can read. No glasses.
I can read.
But beyond that, what we want to do is first wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We are out. We are taking this week off. There will be nothing new. We might throw in some older stuff that we've already had recorded. Thank you for the vacation. Thank you for your support. Hope you have a great vacation too.
See you in 2019.
That's it, man. It's going quick, huh? 2019. We got a lot to celebrate, a lot of cool things going on next year, already started. So let's get to this. What are we giving away, you remember?
We're giving away a chainsaw, a table saw, and what's
Super Sawzall.
Super Sawzall.
What order are you giving them away in? I got this stuff here.
You pick the tool and I'll pick the name.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to separate them out. One's a little bit larger than the other. You're going to have to reach underneath and grab something here. You ready? We're going to give away the Super Sawzall first.
Okay. We're going to go by your comment. It says, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all, and stay safe during the holiday travels. The winner is Air 2BMC.
Pretty cool. Congratulations on a Super Sawzall.
Here we go.
Ready?
What's the next one?
Next one is going to be chainsaw.
Chainsaw?
Chainsaw.
All right. Where am I digging? Where am I digging? Here we go. Once again, Merry Christmas, guys. Love your channel. Always great content. Winner, Stefan Lanum.
Steven.
Sorry. Stephen?
Could be Stefan, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, congratulations. Last one. What's he winning?
He's going to win the table saw.
Big table saw.
Can I put my name in there?
No.
No. Okay.
You try.
Merry Xmas, everyone. Treat others how you would like to be treated. So let's all give each other Milwaukee tools.
You wonder if he might give you guys his tool.
You think?
Yeah, ask him. Put in the comments below, man, because...
Vincent Martinez.
There you go.
You're the man.
Congratulations. Now, what we need from each of you, I need you all to comment below so that we can match it up, and then I want you to email us at I want you to email us at webmaster@workshopaddict.com. So the guys down below, especially Vincent, since he wants to spread his holiday cheer, maybe he'll give it away. That'd be pretty cool. There's a chance.
I think it's pretty slim, but...
So it is the holidays, guys. You're going to have to email us. This is coming through right before Christmas Eve and Christmas. We will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. Plus, we're going to deal with some vacations in other areas, most likely. So these tools may not ship until very early 2019. So bear with us through this holiday week.
It's a free tool. You're going to get it when you get it.
You're going to get it soon, but everybody's excited. They win these free tools, and I get emails.
But Vincent wants to give his away.
Did it ship yet? Did it ship yet?
I know.
I'd be excited too. This is Christmas, man. This is their gift. So good luck, guys. Thank you for everything that you do for us, supporting us. We're going to continue to give a lot of things back to you, especially in the next years. We have a ton more giveaways going. So make sure you've subscribed to this channel. Make sure your notifications are on. We're going to hit you guys back up with a giveaway right off the bat early in 2019. Have a great day.